Hey, my name is Katie. In this video, I am going to tell that how you can create your own cover songs with the help of AI. Before starting, make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
So first of all, you have to go to this website. I will mention the link in the description. Click on Try Songar app now. After that, you simply have to sign up. After signing up, you will see some song categories. Simply select one. I will select cafe and I will write a prompt over here that I want a love song lyrics. So you can see it has generated some lyrics for me. You can also edit the lyrics or even try again. After that, click on render. So you can see it has converted the lyrics into the song. So let's play and check.
Don't worry, my love, I'll always stay by your side. I'll be the rock you can rely on, the one you can always count on.
What a beautiful song. So I will simply download the audio. Now you have to go to this website. I will mention the link in the description. You have to click on browse and upload the song you just recently downloaded. Now here you can see it has separated the music and the vocals. You have to download these both separately. Now go to this website Kids AI. I will mention the link in the description. Simply sign up with your Google account. After signing up, just simply click on the royalty-free voices. Now select an AI voice artist. Now upload the separated vocals audio that we downloaded previously. Then click on convert. Now let's play and check it out.
Don't worry, my love, I'll always stay by your side. I'll be the rock you can rely on.
Now as you can see, it has converted the music into the voice of the artist we selected. So after that, I will simply download this audio. You can also convert this into a male voice. So now let's convert our song into a male voice. Upload your file. After uploading your file, select a male artist. Then click on convert.
I'll always stay by your side. I'll be the rock you can rely on, the one you can.
So as you can see, it has converted our song into a male voice. Now click on community voices. You can select a community voice as well. You can search for any cartoon character or any movie character as well. I will search for Doraemon and then click on use voice. Then simply upload your audio file. After uploading your audio file, click on convert.
Don't worry, my love, I'll always stay by your side. I'll be the rock you can rely on, the one you can.
So you can see how beautifully it has converted my music into Doraemon voice. So I will simply download it. Now open Audacity, upload your vocals and your music. So we will combine these both. After uploading both, just click on play.
Don't worry, my love, I'll always stay by your side. I'll be the rock you can rely on, the one you can always always count on, no matter what storm.
So that's all. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel AI with Katie for more amazing videos. Your love and support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye!